Hey Tech Explorers, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Before we jump into the AI craziness, let's do a quick recap on open source software. Think of it like the recipe for your favorite dish, except this recipe is free for everyone to see, use, and even tweak to their liking. Firefox, the browser you might be using right now, that's open source. WordPress, the engine behind millions of websites. Yep, you guessed it, open source too. Even the mighty Linux, powering servers and systems worldwide, is built on this collaborative spirit. Open source has been a game changer, but now things are about to get really interesting because we're applying the same concept to artificial intelligence. Let's dive in. Meet Nils Tracy, the brains behind Blinder, a startup using the power of Meta's open source AI, Llama, to shake things up in the legal world. Imagine this: software that can automatically redact sensitive information from legal documents, making sure your personal details stay private, or maybe an AI that can learn the specific writing style of a law firm and churn out documents that sound like they were written by a seasoned lawyer, but in a fraction of the time. Thanks to Llama being open source, Blinder can take this powerful AI engine, fine-tune it to their needs, and build a game-changing product. This is huge for smaller companies like Blinder, who simply don't have the resources to create their own AI from scratch. Without open source, this kind of innovation would be much harder to pull off. So why is Mark Zuckerberg practically giving away Meta's billion-dollar AI? Well, some experts believe he might be playing the long game. Think of it like this: you're a hot dog vendor, and you decide to give away free hot dog buns. Everyone loves a good deal and starts grabbing those buns. But guess what? Now they need hot dogs to put in them. That's where you come in, selling your delicious premium hot dogs. This strategy is all about making the thing that goes with your product free and easily available, which then creates a demand for your main product. Meta might be betting that by offering Llama as their free hot dog buns, they'll dominate the market for the valuable datasets and hardware needed to truly unlock the power of AI. Now let's talk security. Open source has always had this superpower: a whole community of developers looking for and fixing vulnerabilities. Think of it like having thousands of eyes scrutinizing every line of code. If someone spots a weakness, they fix it, making the software stronger for everyone. This open approach has made many open source programs incredibly secure. But here's the million-dollar question: will this collaborative security model work for AI? Can we trust a bunch of developers to keep the reins on something as powerful as AI? Some experts are hopeful, while others are downright terrified. Let me know where you stand in the comments below. On the flip side, the openness of open source AI makes some experts really nervous, and for good reason. Just imagine the chaos if someone with bad intentions gets their hands on this powerful technology. We've already seen how easy it is to create deepfakes, those incredibly realistic but totally fake videos, using open source AI tools. Now imagine this technology being used to spread misinformation during an election or to defame someone's character. The consequences could be devastating. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Some experts worry about even scarier scenarios, like using open source AI to create dangerous biological weapons. It's a chilling thought, right? The power of open source AI is undeniable, but we need to proceed with caution and find a balance between innovation and safety. Okay. So we've talked about the good, the bad, and the downright scary, but where does Meta fit into all of this? Well, they're not just giving away their AI for free. They're also baking it into pretty much every product they have. Meta AI, the company's chatbot and AI assistant, is already integrated with platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and it's about to get a whole lot smarter. Imagine scrolling through your feed, and instead of seeing the same old ads, you get hyper-personalized recommendations based on your interests and even your mood. Meta is betting big on making AI a natural part of our online experience. But Meta isn't playing this open source game alone. They've teamed up with another tech giant, Spotify, to push for clearer AI regulations in Europe. Remember Blinder, the legal tech startup we talked about earlier? They face some serious roadblocks because of strict AI regulations in the EU. That's why Meta and Spotify are joining forces to try and create a more innovation-friendly environment while still ensuring things don't get out of hand. It's a delicate balance, but one that's crucial for the future of AI. Let's get real for a second. The potential of Meta AI goes way beyond just showing you better ads or recommending the perfect song on Spotify. Imagine AI that can help you write better content, answer customer service questions instantly, or even generate creative social media posts. Meta is working towards a future where AI becomes your personal assistant, helping you with everyday tasks and freeing up your time for things that really matter. But the big question is, are we ready for a world where AI is so deeply integrated into our lives? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now, building and training these powerful AI models requires some serious horsepower, and that's where things get really interesting. We're talking about massive data centers filled with servers, processors, and all sorts of fancy hardware working nonstop to crunch data and make the magic happen. Meta's investing billions in this AI infrastructure, and they're not alone. Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are all racing to build the biggest and baddest AI systems on the planet. It's like an arms race, but instead of nuclear weapons, they're fighting for AI supremacy. And for a good reason. The AI market is exploding, and everyone wants a piece of the pie. We're talking about a projected market value of trillions of dollars in the coming years, with AI applications transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and even transportation. Meta's open-source strategy is a bold move to position itself as a leader in this AI gold rush. By giving away the tools, they're hoping to attract the best and brightest minds in AI to their platform. It's a high-stakes gamble, but if it pays off, Meta could become the go-to platform for all things AI. But beyond the money and the competition, there's a bigger picture here. The rise of AI has the potential to reshape our world in profound ways, and Meta's open-source approach could make this powerful technology accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills or resources. Imagine a world where anyone, from a student in a developing country to a small business owner in a bustling city, can harness the power of AI to solve problems, create new opportunities, and improve their lives. That's the promise of open-source AI, and it's a future worth striving for. So what does this all mean for you and me? Well, whether we realize it or not, AI is already changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From the personalized recommendations we see on our social media feeds to the AI-powered chatbots that answer our questions online, artificial intelligence is becoming an increasingly integral part of our daily lives. The debate over open-source AI is about much more than just technology. It's about the future we want to create, and it's up to all of us to engage in this conversation and shape the future of AI. So, is open-source AI the future, or is it a recipe for disaster? Well, the truth is, there's no easy answer. There are valid arguments to be made on both sides of the debate. Open-source AI has the potential to democratize access to this powerful technology, accelerate innovation, and create new opportunities for everyone. However, it also comes with risks such as the potential for misuse, bias, and even weaponization. Ultimately, finding the right balance between openness and control will be crucial for ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity. One thing's for sure, the future of AI isn't about machines replacing humans. It's about humans and machines working together to create a better future. By embracing open collaboration, transparency, and ethical development practices, we can unlock the full potential of AI to solve the world's most pressing challenges and create a brighter future for everyone. So let's embrace the possibilities of AI while remaining mindful of the potential risks. Together, we can shape the future of AI in a way that benefits all of humanity. So, what do you think about open-source AI? Is it a game changer or a recipe for disaster? Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more AI deep dives, and most importantly, share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm always working hard to bring you the latest and greatest in AI news and insights, and your feedback helps me make this channel the best it can be. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.